We give you the base, you make it to your taste. Let's make brown rice. In a medium pot, combine 1 cup of brown rice, 2 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then cover and reduce to a simmer. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes until the water is absorbed. You can check by peeking at the side of the pan to see that all the water's gone. Turn off the heat and fluff with a fork. This stops the cooking. Serve with burrito bowls, stir fry, or one of our favorite grain salads. Check out the recipe in the description below. And always, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.